Hey, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make a one pot meal. Very economical. It is spicy chili meets creamy mac and cheese. Yeah, it is a chili mac and cheese. This one you make with simple staple ingredients and it only takes 30 minutes and you only need one pot. Your whole family is going to love this one. And I know you're going to love it too. And when you do, you give us a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. Hang out with me. We're going to put together this one pot chili mac and cheese. Now, let's stir the pot. To start this one pot easy chili mac recipe, we are going to need about a tablespoon of olive oil. Add it to your pot. This is my small Dutch oven. You will need 3 cloves of garlic, and I have just minced these up. What we're going to be doing is sauteing these vegetables, and you'll need 1 onion, finely chopped. Get these sauteing. You'll saute your vegetables until your onion is translucent and your garlic is fragrant. Then you will add your spices. We're adding a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin. Of course, my favorite spice, I have to add it in just about everything. I got that teaspoon of smoked paprika, and I have a pinch of red pepper flake. You don't have to use that, that's optional, but I like a little bit of spice. Then you will add your ground meat. We are using ground sirloin, and we got this on sale, so this is a very economical meal. You'll want to break up your hamburger as it cooks. We will now add some Worcestershire sauce. We'll add about 2 tablespoons of this. While it's browning, we're going to add some fresh ground pepper and some salt. Our hamburger has cooked about 4 minutes, and we're going to add one 14.5 ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes. Juice and all. This is where it now becomes a dump because we're going to dump the rest of the ingredients in. We will add 1 can of chili beans. The chili beans we have here does have some green chilies in it. So you can do that to your liking. If you like them, get it. We do. And I'm going to add a half a can of the pinto beans. I have drained the juice on the pinto. Just give it a quick stir. We will now add some chicken broth to this. So we're going to add almost 32 ounces. We'll save a little bit of this 32 ounce to the side in case we need it. If it gets too thick, our elbow noodles, they're going to go right in this pot, guys. It's a one pot meal. And we are adding 10 ounces of elbow noodles. Give it a quick stir, bring it to a boil, and put a top on it. After your noodles have cooked for 9 to 11 minutes, we will now put our cheese on top of it. Cut your burner off and just put your cheese right over the top. We're going to cover this and let this melt. After your cheese has melted, you'll just stir it all in. Look at how creamy and delicious that looks. This was a quick one pot meal and it was economical. Now comes my favorite part, and I know it's yours too. The one who stirred the pot's got to lick the spoon. Let me grab a bowl. I'll be right back. This is spicy chili meets creamy mac and cheese. So good. And it's a one pot meal. And not only that, folks, it's economical and your whole family will love it. It smells delicious. We topped ours with a little bit of cheddar cheese and some onions, and we're going to be serving it with a homemade sourdough breadsticks that I had made. These are delicious and they're just like my favorite restaurant where I go and get my salad and soup. So check it out. I'll put a link down in the description. And without further ado, we're going to taste this. Mm. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Guys, I know you're going to like this one. And when you do, I want you to give me a thumbs up. I want you to subscribe and also hit notifications so that you get all of our videos as they post. I hope that you will make this one in your home. Put me a comment down below how you liked it, what you did different for yours, because there's lots of variations that you can do with this one pot chili mac. And until next time, you guys stir the pot.